Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round of me trying to improve myself in programming. It is round number one of the four for the stream. We are building an application. It is a full stack. I created a backend, have a database, and now we are building the front end of it. And then we will alternate between those two after we decide where we will take it precisely. So, you already know, 5 minutes typing, 35 minutes of exercise, programming. Shift it. Oh, come on. Whatever, it is what it is. Let's get into the typing exercise. Nice. 35 and 38. Okay, that concludes the typing session. Let's go to build the front end. So far we have this. Alright. And okay, so we have some style. Pum pum. Yeah, and we'll have a look how it's done in here. It was the HTTP client, right? Yes. There's URL. Yeah, but where's the localhost and shit like that? Where is it specified? Also, kind of losing focus. So maybe I'll try talk through it. So what I'm trying here is to understand how this is. how this works. So everything kinda calls the HTTP client here, right? And we are in the Hero service. So on my front end, I guess I will create this service too. Well, kind of service, right? And it will be the ingredient service. Like that. It's hero.service, huh? So how? Do I initialize it? It's like hero-search. This is hello hero.service. And I want to have a look at the tutorial. There was a... Yeah, so how do you do the service? It will be somewhere on top. HTTP. No, he did create it somewhere else before already. Here. Oh no. Yes. This where the fuck am I? This is called get data from server. Okay. And we'll have a look in here, the hero editor. Generate component heroes. Okay, so it will be here probably. Gosh, there's a lot of it. Y services, blah 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 blah. Generate zero. So we'll do that. Okay, so I guess I can do it here. Looks okay. Okay, so here I do ng gen. No way. ng generate service and cool. Okay. So have a look what we have here. We have another redeem, so we will do it at the end of the thing. There's a lot of stuff happening in here. The service, importing a lot of stuff. Maybe I will read it once again. My services. Currently, I want just to spit out the, or do I want to create the type already? No, I'll do that later. Register this provider with the root injector for your service by including provider method. Registers a provider with the root injector. Yeah, sure. So how do I? Like this. Interesting. Okay. Sure. So I will do the import. In my case, that is the component, and at the top I say, what the PageUp doesn't work? Okay. Import, and this was what it was, ingredient service. Ingredient service, good. And this will take just the JSON thing, and we will say this will be title. Why? Oh, because it's invert type, so that's why. But this will be JSON string. Has no initializer and is not definitely assigned in the constructor. Do I have to do that? He doesn't do it here. And then in constructor he doesn't do it neither, so what's your fucking problem? Great, getter, setter, blah blah. Sure. That's not what I want. Where the heroes are? Now I'm really fighting through tiredness. Hey, NevsG. Welcome to the channel. I haven't seen you here before, did I? Oh, I did. You have been here before. Sorry. Forgot. Not much, to be honest. You were doing something with Java FX, maybe? Or maybe something like Java GUI related? Is that possible? Oh, okay. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, right now I'm fighting through my tiredness, and so I'm building an application. It has a backend and front end as well. On the backend, I have a database instance which is running. I have a backend which have few simple CRUD operations, API endpoints, API endpoints. They work, and now I am in the process of writing the front end. I started writing it in Angular. This is how it looks so far. Yeah, I have some problem there right now, but you know, without the error, it's like it just says food shopper. Here is the exposed API to one of them. See, it works. Like I can get the data in the form of in the form of JSON. So that's also nice. And right now I'm trying to create something which would connect to the data points, not data points, to the endpoints in my API and display it on the page. That's all I want to achieve today. And if not, nothing happens. I'm kind of like really tired. So we'll see. I'll have some tea and maybe that will help. Sometimes it does. Yeah, so I'll search for this. I will learn something probably. Hey, Blue Horse. You have been here before too, I think. Alright. Welcome back. Like once, maybe? Twice, maybe? One, twice, maybe 3 times? I did and did not. Well, maybe you were here when I was doing the tutorial. Right now I built my own application in the Spring. It is the backend here. It's actually running, so I can hear it. Where is it? Here. So I can access the endpoints here. So let's say I will queue all ingredients in my database. And I can prove it because if we have a look into database and I query for all, you know, like that's all there was. Now I'll scale, so delete, you know, and so on. You were the one who was sending the how they are like those diamonds. Yes, cheers. Yeah. But it's all diamonds to me. And yeah, so this works. The database runs in the Docker image, so it's isolated. Nice. I also had to learn that. Yeah, and now I'm doing this. This is the front end, and currently I have some error, and I don't know what it is about, so I'm reading on it. Stack Overflow. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Actually, I'm able to do that. I wonder if my PR has been approved. Can I have a look? I think we're working on it with it's still there. I think it's waiting. Oh. A review still required. What this means? Success. Approved. Okay, so he approved the update of the README and okay, so I guess we will be discussing tomorrow this in person. Yes. I cannot respond. How can I respond? Will reply. Comment. Cool. And I just fast changed it. That was everything really. But that's always with like in every like the bigger the pull request is, the longer it takes for it to get approved. So that's why it's also like to keep it as small as possible. And this is the code. It's not too much, but it is definitely a lot when you did not work with a Spring previously. It took me a few days to understand how to do that too, so. Now we are reading on this. Okay, why should I? This is not, is that it? strict class initialization. Constructor, body, or by property initializer. Okay, so it will be empty. String beginning. That's it. So we have that. That will be the JSON we will be getting. Now, when this is out of the way, have a look how they did it. So he created that what he will get, then inject the hero service in the constructor. Okay, cool. I don't have a constructor. Can I generate constructor? Yes, I can. Yeah, so constructor just like that. Okay, cool. Insert, and this will be private. What was it? Ingredient service. Ingredient service. Here we go. So we have successfully injected that service into our component. Get heroes. Yeah, so this will be could do that. Get all JSON takes nothing. It will be in this dot ingredient service dot get all ingredients JSON to. Okay, so now we have a problem. I will create that method over here. This will return a string. Yes, it's lowercase. It's uppercase in Java, it's lowercase in here. The way of life. And I need to visit the boys. Oh, we are almost at the end. Cool. So visit the boys room after this expires. So that's now what? Okay, so this concludes